Can't access Revolut on your phone? Let's get you set up with a Revolut personal account using an emulator, overcoming those pesky device restrictions. First, download and install an Android emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player on your computer. These programs create a virtual Android device right on your desktop. Once the emulator is up and running, open the Google Play Store within the emulator and search for Revolut. Click Install to download and install the Revolut app, just like you would on your phone. Now, open the Revolut app. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Be sure to use a valid phone number where you can receive SMS verification codes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Signup process. This includes verifying your phone number via SMS and creating a secure PIN. You'll also need to complete the KYC or Know Your Customer verification process. This usually involves submitting a photo of your ID, like a passport or driver's license, and sometimes a selfie. Make sure all the information provided is accurate and matches your official documents. A common issue with emulators is camera access. If you encounter problems during the KYC verification, you may need to adjust the emulator settings to allow camera access or upload the required documents from your computer. And that's it. You should now have a fully functional Revolut personal account running inside your emulator. Remember, using an emulator might have some limitations, so always check Revolut's terms and conditions. Enjoy.